equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson SV12 may exhibit symptoms such as reduced suction or strange noises, often indicating a failing motor. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further damage and a complete loss of functionality. To perform the repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and some patience. Begin by safely opening the device, ensure it is unplugged and lay it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Locate the motor, which is typically situated near the base of the unit. Carefully remove the screws securing the motor in place, taking note of their types and lengths. Disconnect any cables attached to the motor, being gentle to avoid damaging nearby components. Once the old motor is free, replace it with the new one, ensuring all connections are secure. Reassemble the device by reversing the steps, making sure everything fits snugly. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.